got another product to test today, and it is the Stafford Chopstick Styler. Now, as you can see, I've washed my hair, needs a bit of a blow dry, which I shall be doing with my Stafford Coco Loco Go Nuts hairdryer. And then we'll unbox this and give it a go. Yeah, my hair is pretty ordinary, pretty straight. Doesn't really have much curl anyway. So we'll see what we can do with this curling one. Right, so we're opening the box, and inside we have a plastic bag. Inside the plastic bag, let's get into that. We have, oh, so many more plastic bags. Instructions, which I probably should read. And the actual wand, which looks a bit, it's aluminium, I think, and quite a nice sort of electric pink colour. Got a swivel handle, which is quite nice. Just take this little twist tie off at the end here. Yes. Right, and I'm going to read the instructions because otherwise I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, it says here that, look, it has a hanging loop, which is handy if you're using this in the bathroom, although you really shouldn't use these things in the bathroom. A swivel cord, on-off LED indicator, ceramic coated barrel, heats up to 200 degrees C, but it has a cool tip, which is handy. Hopefully all my hair won't just break off from this thing. Ceramic coated for healthy and silky hair. Protecting cool tip. Okay. Please read and retain these instructions before operating for future reference. Remove all packaging and keep safe. Keep the packaging safe? Not sure. For domestic use only, so not allowed to use this in a hairdresser's, even though Stafford is a well-known celebrity hairdresser. Don't let young children play with it. Okay, hair should be clean, dry, and tangle free before using this product. And I knew that before I even read the instructions. Plug the appliance into a suitable main socket. Ensure the voltage being used is the correct voltage. Indicator light will glow red when the unit is switched on. Leave the unit on its safety stand. There is no safety stand. What safety stand would that be? And rest on a smooth, flat, heat-resistant surface. I'm just going to leave it on the box, I think, because I'm sitting on my bed, and I don't think this is really a heat-resistant surface. Safety stand. Ah, okay, safety stand. Yes. So yeah, I'll leave that on the safety stand. So I'll go and plug that in, and I'll continue reading the instructions. Hopefully that won't burn through the box and set everything on fire. Right, plug in, turn on, slide. It's a slide on off switch. Okay, turn it on the safety stand. Right, wait a few minutes until the appliance reaches the required temperature. Allow unit to cool before storing away. Take extra care when using curling tongs. It gets very hot. That would be because it's 200 degrees. Okay. Oh, okay. Lee's top tips. Of course I don't have any of these. Before using my chopstick styler, I recommend using my Poker Straight Flat Iron Protection Shine Mist or Heat Protection Professional Straightening Protection Mist. You know what? I don't have that, but I do have something else. I got this quite a while ago, and it is Insta Naturals Argan Oil Thermal Protector Spray. So what I'm going to do is going to spray my hair with this, and that will give it a bit of a protection. Right, well, I'm heating this up because it has to get warm enough to go do it. Touching the cool tip rather than the actual wand itself, which does get very hot very quickly. It's getting super hot now. Okay, so what I do, just put it down for a moment and brush out a section of my hair. Don't slip. Section of my hair like this. Now, I sprayed some argan oil heat mist on earlier. Let's see if this works. Hang on a sec. Oops. My hair's pretty slippery. Hang on a sec. How do you do this? So you go like that. Well, that's quite nice. I wonder if that will stay. Let's give it a go again. Oh, I quite like that. Ideally, you probably have like 2 people doing this at once. So it gives you a bit of a corkscrew. And I'm not sure I should have done that. Alright, let's try that again. Let's brush out this section. And I'll wrap it around. Oh, hang on. Go up here, wrap it around, and hold it for a little bit. And then release. Oh, look at that. Some interesting things going on there. Next section. Do it again. Hold it for a bit. Okay, do another section. I don't know how much I should do. I'll go over here. Oops, hang on. It's a bit hard with my the other way I'm not used to. Well, that went a bit too curly probably. Now, of course, you're supposed to put hairspray on this to keep it in. Okay, let's go here. Try not to touch it. Oops, do it again. Oh, sorry. Right, now I'll let it go this time. This is going super curly. Do some more over this side. Just brush some more hair. My hair is very, very fine, so what happens is that usually I find it difficult to retain any sort of style to it. Since I started dyeing my hair, yes, this is not my natural colour. Since I started dyeing my hair, I found that it's become a bit thicker, so it's been quite good. Oops, hang on. Oh, can't get it off now. Right, nice loop back on itself. That's interesting. Okay. Anyway, see how we go. See if I can get how much I can get done. It's so knotted up a bit. Well, it's interesting. I don't know. Definitely, if I had a bit more time and if my hair was a bit more bit less fine and probably be able to do it like that. Let's have a look. Get some from at the back. You see how helps? See how that goes? Ouch! Now it says be careful not to touch your scalp and be careful not to touch your skin, your hands or whatever, so be careful. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, nice little ringlet on top of my head. I'll get some more of these ones. What's that going on here? So hair caught on there. Okay. Down for a bit. Let's get some up here. Separate it. Oh dear, don't fall. Right. So that's the ouch. Cooling tip is not very cool. Okay, well, it's quite pretty. Yeah, it'd probably be a lot easier if it wasn't just me doing it by myself. I feel a bit like a rag doll at the moment with my hair. But I think for a first go, it's not too bad. Well, let's get this one. Let's see how we can go with this. Get out. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Burnt my finger. Don't know if you can see that. Lee Stafford says put some hairspray on to hold it. So if you want to have this go or last for a bit longer than, just a few minutes, make sure you spray it. Give this one a bit more of a go. How far up can we go? I guess the whole thing is you get these corkscrew hair. Sorry, this corkscrew hair. It's quite pretty. Let's do this one again. A bit closer in. Oops. Oh dear, wait a minute. Okay. That was a bit of a mess. Yeah. Corkscrew curls. If you do it all over your head, I'm sure it'll be quite nice. Try another one over here. Now, as you can see, I'm a bit of a novice when it comes to hairstyling. I said that in my hair dry video, blow dry video, that I'm not very skilled at this sort of thing. So if I've managed to do this in a few minutes, then I can't see that it would be difficult for anyone else. So yeah, give it a go. I got this at a discount. I'll say in the description how much it cost retail. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. I think I'll find that I'll use it a lot. I'm making myself look gorgeous in the name of a new LINA Likes video and featuring my really exciting nose and chin.